Okay, so now I'm just kind of thumbing through the gears here. I'm putting it in gear 7, and I'm in pedal assist 2. And this thing is just pulling me. I can barely keep up with the pedaling. All right, now let's try pedal assist 3. Wow, there's a big jump between pedal assists. Pedal assist 1 has a lot of power. Excuse me. Has a lot of power. I'm in pedal assist 1, and it's, you know, it's definitely pulling me pretty nicely. Then you hit pedal assist 2. I don't know if you can hear like the jump in the power, but you can just hear it go. And then pedal assist 3, even faster and more power. Just, it's got a big jump, more so than some of my other bikes. Pedal assist 5, you're just rocking. So like all electric bikes, depending upon how you use the gearing and the modes, you could definitely get some exercise, you know? Definitely. But what I do like about the bike is it's got the, you know, the all-terrain tires, like pretty good knobby tires, you know? Like that's pretty cool. So I feel like you can really do some off-roading in this thing and, you know, have no problems. But again, I do think you'd probably want to get the suspension seat post, which they go all the way up to like $200-300 bucks, but I've also seen ones that are really cheap, you know? So I think you can get one for like 30 bucks. So it doesn't have to be like some amazing seat post, you know? You just want something that gives you a little bit of bounce. That's all you want. It doesn't have to be amazing. So that's something to consider. Now we're gonna do a little bit of zip zooming through the dirt to see what it's all about. And yeah, not bad. Man, these tires are freaking colossal, I will say. Just colossal. So they do make for a little bit of a heavier bike. This bike is 74 pounds, I believe. And I have a mid-drive bike, a mountain bike that, you know, its frame isn't as beefy as this one. It does have 26-inch tires, but they're you know, narrow tires. And that bike's like 50 pounds. So this thing really does, I mean, the weight of the wheels does, and the tires really does add a lot to the bike. So that's why it's upwards of 75 pounds. So you're not going to be throwing this in your trunk or anything, but you can certainly put it in a truck. And you know, it's not that big of a deal to just hold the rear brake, pull it back, put it up in your truck, you know. But yeah, so anyhow, I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm just saying nothing, you know. But I tell you, man, you look up Kenda tires, right? They have freaking built-in tire liner. Like, are you kidding me? So that is, first of all, amazing. Second of all, you can always put more tire liners in it, like a second layer, and you can put some of that green slime, and you're just rocking. So I don't know, I'm like really excited about the potential of, well, I'm not even gonna say it. You can infer what I'm trying to say. I don't want to jinx myself, you know. All right, do one more pass on the park here. Never amazes me, kids that ride scooters and are wobbly because they don't know what the hell they're doing, and they're not wearing a helmet. Like, are you serious? You're gonna die? I don't want to see you get hit. I don't want to see you fall and hit your head, and then I gotta freaking, you know, call the ambulance or something because mommy's not even paying attention. She's on her iPhone, you know, doing Instagram. So, I don't know. Wear your helmet, kids. Wear your helmet. Especially if you're on a freaking electric scooter, or if you're on just a regular push scooter but you're going down hills. You gotta wear a helmet. I'll tell you, it's fun riding just throttle. I mean, it goes without saying, but man, it is. It's just like, I don't know, I feel like you're riding a motorcycle or something. Especially with this thing with the little twist throttle. Definitely feel like you're riding a little motorcycle. Big motorcycle, I should say. So pretty impressive that a 750 watt motor can get up to 28 miles an hour and has 80 newton meters of torque. Like, wow, that's pretty freaking impressive. So, anyhow, that's all this was. A quick little zoom around town. Hope you enjoyed. God bless. Peace out.